Hi guys, thanks for tuning in today. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a Flemish string. Pretty easy, especially if you have one of these. This is a string jig. We got this one from threeriversarchery.com, and it's a pretty nice setup. We've marked ours out so that you can see here we got point A, B, C, D, and E, and that's the D right there. But we've also went ahead and pre-measured for our longbow and recurve eyes. We'll get into that part a little bit later. Right now I'm gonna show you how to make a Flemish string using a silk string. It's pretty easy. What you do is you want to start off just making a simple little knot and put it right on point A. Then whenever you string this, you're going to go all the way down and just like following the alphabet, A, B, C, down to D, and then we come back to E. Now this part right here, when you get down here, you want to go in between the next set of nails down here on this end, so it'll look like this. Depending on the size bow you have, depends on how many laps you want to make around this thing. It also depends on what kind of string you're using on the tensile strength. This one right here, for a 40-pound bow, you figure each lap for 10 pounds. On sinew, or the artificial sinew that we use, we can get away with a little less than that. For an example, on the 90-pound string, the 90-pound bow, the string that I used for that, I went around it 6 times. But basically, you just want to go around like this, and once you get to this point, you'll be ready to cut this right down the middle in between these two these nails right here. So we cut that down, and we take this out. Now we do it one more time. Once we go around again, you'll want to get your wax. Well, first, I guess we'll go into dyeing, because I'm going to be doing a black and white string today. Before you put your wax on, you're going to want to dye it whatever colors you want. Today we're doing a black and white string, so it'll be easier to tell the difference whenever I'm going into the knot at the end, how to make the eye. But this one right here is a dark brown. We're using black today, but you can pick this up at Walmart, craft stores, wherever. It's pretty easy to find, pretty easy to use. Once you get this done, the way I like to do it is I like to pull each individual one off. So we'll go ahead and take one off here, and this is beeswax. They also sell bowstring wax at archery shops and stuff. Beeswax is pretty cheap. Possibly a little bit harder to find, depends on where you live at. If you have beekeepers around you, it'd be pretty easy to find. But it's fairly easy to get a hold of, and what you want to do is just hold it in your hand like so. Put your thumb on top of the string, and it'll actually cut down into that wax like that. Run it the full length, and then come back and do it again as many times as you need to feel that you've got a good string wax on there. I like to put it on kind of thick, because what this does is it waterproofs and seals your string. It also makes it stronger. So the more wax the better. But you basically do this with each individual string. Once you get that done, then you will take all your ends, make sure you get all the wax down to the tip of the string also. That helps. But you'll basically just take your tips again, get them all together, and then run it all the way down and get them all together again. Once you get to that point, you should have a very well waxed string of one color or both the same color, but we're doing some black and white today. Now we want to get our string jig back here. This is the measuring point here. What you want to do on this is you have a distance that you need to twist this string together with to make your eye. So for a long bow it's 3 inches, for a recurve it's 4 inches. And we've got our starting point marked here on this corner, and we've got our end point for a long bow right here. So you'll just want to kind of get that and hold that there. Bend it over or something so you can find that later. Do the same thing with this one. Get that set up. Okay. Now comes the fun part. This is where we're going to twist the string together, and we are going to zoom in a little bit here to give you a closer look. Okay, so once you get that done, basically what you're going to do is you're going to fold this over to where your two twists meet back up together, where you started twisting at. Now you're going to take white to the white and the black to the black, and you're going to sit here and you're going to twist these. You're going to twist these all the way down. Nice and tight. Like so. And the beeswax will help it stick together. So if you didn't wax it, you're going to have problems at this point right now. But you do the same thing on this side. Alright. Now, once you get that part done, you're going to start twisting it, and you're going to want to twist it counterclockwise at this point. So, just keep it tight and twist it up as you go. And we're going to do this all the way down to where the tips meet at. Alright, now that you finish this end, what you want to do is you want to do the same exact thing to this end. You want to measure down, twist them together, loop them over. Remember, black on black, white on white. Now we're going to get into twisting the string. After you've gotten both of your eyes done, basically what you want to do is you want to take one of your eyes and put it over something that's stationary, either the limb of your actual bow, or something, you know, that'll hold it basically like that, right there. Then what you want to do is you want to take your other eye, and you're going to want to twist it counterclockwise to tighten that string up and get it all twisted together. So basically, you take that and you would have it tight. Here, let's set this over here. Alright, take that and have it tight, and you want your two separated at this point, like this. Then you want to start turning it counterclockwise and twisting that whole thing together. Now, you really have to stress counterclockwise right now, because if you don't, you could end up undoing your knot. Most everybody, whenever they do it this way. If you do it clockwise, you'll undo your knots down here. So you want to keep doing that counterclockwise until you get it nice and tight. Then you're going to want to put that on your bow, and you're going to want to rub that down, stretch it out, and re-wax it. And that's pretty much the Fleming string for you. Alright, so that's how you make your Fleming string. Once you get it strung up on the bow, place it down on the tabletop and push down on both limbs just to kind of get it to stretch out a lot more. Once you're stretching it, you can also rub your hand up and down, keeping a pretty tight grip on it, so it heats up the wax and gets it into each individual fiber. Each string makes for a cleaner finish on it. But yeah, that's basically it, and you're done, ready to shoot. If you like this video or something, please let us know. Just click the like or dislike. And if you guys have any more videos that you'd like to see us do on how-to videos, let us know. Our email is traditionbows@hotmail.com, and if you'd like to see more of these videos, subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.